Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create the parallax effect on Wix. Let's get started. First, go to wix.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on Design Site on the top right corner. This will open a new tab leading you to the Wix website editor. In here on the left panel, click on Add Elements. Then click on the image option right here. Click on Free from Wix, or you may also choose to upload and import if you have images prepared. After that, just scroll down and look for the image you want to use. Next, click on the image. Then click on Animation and Effects right here. Next, under this scroll section, you will find the parallax effect. Once you've found the parallax effect, click on it, then click on Customize down here. Then customize the speed however you like right here. And that is how you can create a parallax effect on Wix. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.